In this video, I will show you how to stop your laptop from sleeping when idle. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type control panel and then open up control panel underneath best match. Once your control panel is opened, come up to the top right hand corner and where it says view by, you want to make sure this is selected to category. Then what you want to do is click onto hardware and sound, and then what you want to do is click onto power options. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and you should see your current power plan. Now the one that's selected, so for myself you can see that's my custom plan. You want to come to the right hand side and click onto the change plan settings link. From here you're going to see some options available, so you can choose when to put the computer to sleep, when it's on battery and plugged in. So to stop your computer from sleeping when it's idle, all you need to do is click onto the drop down box and change this to never. Make sure this is selected for both on battery and plugged in, and that will stop your laptop from sleeping when it's idle. So that is how to stop laptop from sleeping when idle. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.